G'day, traders, divergence traders. Yeah, not much divergence today, just up and down and all around. Yes. Chop, chop, chop. I managed to do good today. That's why I'm showing you this screen here. This is my live account. And I know the trend is up, so I only did buys. I bought the dips, and up we go and take it. And then it came down. I bought the dip again. It came down. I went and made breakfast right here. And I come back, I go, holy sheep shit, they sold it right back down there again, those buggers. So I bought here, added on to my long that I had up here, and I closed this somewhere in here, and then I closed this long up here, and then I did some more buying of the dip right here. This candle here closed lower. I told you about those red candles in an uptrend. When they close, you buy the dip, and up it goes. So anyway, I bought here, and I closed them here. I didn't think it would make it this far back up here, so I said, oh, I bet you this would be the place to take the profit. Anyway, the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's a very handful tool for those of you who trade MetaTrader 4, that is. So anyway, if you decide to, try out the course, and I've never sent this to anybody before. I had a guy, well, the first guy who worked on this code, he was from Bulgaria, and then I needed to add some more stuff to it. It's I call it semi-auto because it does have an automatic functionality to it, but I just use it to scalp. And so I got a buy button, sell button, and close button. And that's it. So anyway, if you decide to pick up my divergence course, I will include this tool here called the semi-auto. Okay? And yeah, that's it. So let's take a look now at our trades of today. Let's see where there's divergence. I don't see any. There's some on the 1 minute, but let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are. The other, this is a demo account, by the way. It doesn't matter what I show it to you on. Live or demo, it's the same charts. So I'm not trying to fool anybody that I'm running a demo. No, it's just to show you the setups. And whether it's a demo chart or a live chart, it's the same shit. Just different charts. Okay, so, someone's sending me something. So anyway, so here's the opening candle right here, 9:30, okay, 16:30. And they hammered it down, as you can see. And then they bought it right back up again. Why did they take it just a few little points past this wick? Well, I'll tell you why. Because they knew there were stops all up here from the people going short in here. And they went after and got you. That's why you shouldn't trade the open of the stock market. It's so dangerous. Trading any of these indices, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S and the P, even oil and gold can be very risky. So anyway, we do have a trade. Let me show you where it is, but I wouldn't have taken it. Right here, we got high and higher highs, right? But let's draw it to the first high first. Is this one. Okay, and yes, it is divergence from this high down to here like this. Where are you going to sell it? Are you going to sell it down here? I sure as hell wouldn't, and there's like support right there. No. And sure enough, anybody who sold right here thinking, oh, look at the big bearish candle, it's going to go down hundreds of pips. Doesn't mean it's going to. Okay, doesn't mean, and it didn't. It went right back up and got your stop. Then it did another wick where you could extend the the line. And if you sold it in here, say you waited for this bullish candle to close right there, your stop would have been 35 points. Went down 30 points. Now down here, you'd think, oh, is there some divergence right here, low and lower low? No, they were both angled down, see? However, there was a trade here, right here. Double bottom, double wicks. Here we go, giggly sticks. So you would have got in right there. If you're willing to trade this after this crazy shit. It's like, I think I had some dumbass luck on my side. I'll show you my trades again. I think I had some dumbass luck. I never lost on a trade today. And I just bought dips. And that's it. And it worked out. Doesn't usually work out that good. It doesn't. Let me tell you. Usually I'd lose and then maybe make it back or make a little profit. Today I just won on every trade. It was quite amazing. Anyway, the stop would be 43 pip points, and it went back up 33. So if you would have bought it here, you would have made some points. Okay. Let's now look at the Dow. Dow's crazy how it just rocked right up. Crazy, guys, crazy. Now we have divergence, and it's right here. Let me show you. Okay, it's like a triple bottom right there, just like that, or a low and a lower low. And no, you do not have to draw it from this long wick. Long wicks, I lose. I usually disclose them. Like I don't even really look at them unless they're kind of like this here. Then I'll count them. It depends on the chart and everything. That's the thing with divergence. It can be a little bit of there can be some subjectivity, yeah, where it's hard to see it and find it. It is. I'll tell you right now, divergence trading, a lot of people do not, let me repeat myself, most people do not want to trade it. You know why? Because it's not simple at times. You have to look for these different patterns on the chart and look to trade it. Most people don't have this. I call it like an artistic ability to see this on the chart. It's not easy to see it on the chart. I do have some artistic ability to myself, you know, like to see these patterns, but still, it took me years and years and years to find these divergence setups for some of them, you know. If you're willing to learn how to trade divergence, you will probably do well, but it's gonna take a learning curve to do it, and that's why most people won't do it. Most people would like to see a green arrow, okay, buy, or a red arrow and sell, and those never work either. They will not work for you in the end. They won't. So you got to find whatever, you know, you find what you can trade, you know, like some people. Where is that now? See, most people that they will draw in right here. See, they draw in one of these doodads right here. Every time it comes in here, they'll buy, right? Yeah. And when it comes up here, they sell. Yeah, I can't trade like that. I never could. I've tried. I just can't. Every time I'd buy down here, it'd keep going down. Every time I'd sell up here, it would keep going up. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. That's why I've only been able, like, successful is trading divergence. Okay, let's move on now. So let's look at the Dow. Right, here it is. Sorry. Let me get back to the Dow here. So it's right here to right here. There's your divergence. And you buy it right there. Your stop would have to be down here somewhere around 50 points. And it went up 150 there. There's 3 to 1. Went up 250. There's 5 to 1 risk reward. Gotta love that. Then we have a high and a retracement and a higher high, right? And you would think it's divergent, but it's not. Let me show you. It's got the right characteristic here, but it's got the wrong characteristic. Well, let me see. Hold on. That's kind of a tricky one. Okay, so right there. Okay. Yeah, I guess you could fiddle with it and make it work. Right here. Yeah, they're gonna fiddle around here, finger fool around here. Okay, I'm just put out the wrong thing. Okay. Let me see here. So you draw this one to this bar. Oh, stop. Usually Ninja Trader does that to me. I click on it, it goes, makes a fucking noise. Dring! And then I have to go and delete it. MetaTrader's not usually like that. So anyway, there was a trade here, I guess. It was very carefully looking for the setup, though. So if you would have sold it here, guess what? It went down 100 points, the Dow, and this one went up 250 points. Okay, let's look at the S and the P now. Ooh, look at the S and the P. Okay, so right over here is double bottom to buy at 8 o'clock. No, it wasn't divergent there. But we did have little scalp trades along the way right here where it closed lower. You would have bought here and up it goes. Winner. Here's another one. Buy here, up it goes. Winner. And another one. Low closing candle. Buy right here in the opening of this one. This is the 5-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. Up it go. Profits in your pockets. And again, right here. Buy right here. A little bit of drawdown. Up it goes. And again, right here. Buy right here, a little bit of drawdown, and up it goes. Okay? And then we had divergence right here. High, retracement, and higher high. And our ski slope down like this. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah. And our sell trade right there on the opening of right here would have went against you about this is the S and the P. Almost 4 points drawdown. Your stop would have been 6 points. And it went down 12 points. There you go. 2 to 1 win-loss ratio. Yeah, man. Okay. Let's look at oil. What did oil do? Oh, oil's a bit ugly. Okay, let me show you the first trade. It's right over here, low and lower lows. See that? And right here to here. So your entry would have been in here. You could have waited right till here too, where it proved to you, hey, here's a little bit of buying volume right here. Let's buy it, right? Let's buy it. So you would have bought it right there. Your stop would have been 24 ticks. There's in 10 minutes, there's your 24 ticks. And if you held on, it went up like 90 ticks up to there. Now, usually we would draw in a high and a higher high. There was divergence here, but guess what? It didn't go very far. And you would have lost on that one if you'd done this trade right here. Let me put in the lines so you see what I'm saying. High and higher high. Nothing is perfect. You're always going to have losers and winners. Losers and winners, just like you and me. Yeah, that's a band from Germany. I'm trying to remember their name again. Short little German guy, Udo. I used to call it power rock in the 80s. That's one of their songs. Losers and winners, just like you and me. That's quite the saying, and it's true. I wish I knew. My mind, my memory is just it's burning out thanks to the shot. My memory was much better just a year and a half ago. Anyway, I wouldn't have sold it from up here. That's the oil. And there was no, if you would have sold right here, look what it did. It went back up. So you would have lost on this trade. That's what I was trying to show you. Sorry. Gold. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful double top. But that's not all. Let's show you the first trade. We got low and lower lows. You're always going to find the low and the lower lows or the double bottoms on the bottom of the chart of the day. Or you're going to find the higher highs and the double tops at the top of the chart of the day. Like right here. Double top. Okay, let's finish here. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm back. I did a little excursion. The name of the band that I'm talking about, I had to go Google it because my brain is fried. My memory's fried. It's called Accept, and they're from Germany, and they're the one that sings the song Losers and Winners, just like you and me. It definitely fits right into trading. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's put a little arrow on there. Would have been selling right there. You would have been buying right there. So if you would have bought long here, your stop would be right at the nearest closest swing low, 17 pips. And it went up 63 pips. And this one, you would have sold right here. Your stop would have been 29 pips. And it went down 72 pips. Would have got your 2-to-1 on this one. Gotta love it. Here's a trade right here, but it's so late in the end of the day, but I just wanted to quickly show you. Right here. Hard to see divergence. Right there to there. This one's going down. This one's going up. You would have sold right here. And let's see. Would have sold there. Your stop would have been 16 points. Oh, look. 22. Right to the pivot. See how important that pivot line is? You would have got your 1-to-1, ladies and gentlemen, on gold. Let's look at the pound yen now. Oh, pound yen, just a woo, 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 grind down. Okay. What a crappy day. Do I have to draw lines on there for a stupid little trade? There's one trade. Let me show you just the one stupid trade here. Because it didn't do jack shit today. It just messed with people today, right here. Okay? And let me put the freaking arrow on. So you would have sold it right there. Okay, right there. Your stop would have been 18 points. Wow, it went down 20 pips. You would have got it. You would have got it. And I bet the euro yen looks identical to this chart. Yeah. Very similar, but better, This one was much more easier to see. Let me show you. Right there. From this mountain peak down to here. And we'll put the arrow on right here. Right? We need to cross down to the 5, below the 7. Would have sold it right there. Your stop is always at the nearest swing high in a downtrend and your nearest swing low in an up trade setup. Sorry, I had a brain fart there. I had to stop for a second. I apologize every day to you guys. I'm sorry. It's just It's just how my brain works. If you go listen to my old videos from years ago, a couple years ago, you'll see, before I got the shot, you'll see I wasn't having brain farts like this. Anyway, the stop is 17 pips on the euro yen, and it went down 50 pips. Definitely got your 2-to-1 now. Here's the last chart of the day, the pound dollar. Oh, it looks very similar, yeah. Of course, because it's part of the exotic pair. So right here. In there somewhere. Okay, so you would have got short right there. Here's your stop, yeah. A lot of people would say, oh no, I got to put my stop up here. For sure, I'll be safe, for sure. No, that's a mistake. The nearest, in divergence and how I trade it, stop goes right there. Your closest swing high is right there. It's only 11 pips or 10 pips away. You would have got your 10 pips right here already in the first 15, 20 minutes. If you held on, well, it went down 40 points. And down here, there's no divergence to buy it to go back up. Okay, so that's it. Here, hold on. Hold on a sec. So here I am once again to make the offer once again to you guys. This is where I bought the dips. When you close, all the trades close at once. You have the close button here. And it's instant. Boom. That's the problem with MetaTrader is they have this silly little X down here. I'm not going to show you, but you know, on NinjaTrader, you have all the buy, sell, you know, reverse, close, whatever. You have all the buttons right here. But on MetaTrader, you don't have that. But instead on MetaTrader, I'm just going to show you how much of a scam MetaTrader is. If you want to do buy and sell from over here, see this little tiny triangle? You click on it, there you go. There you can buy or you can sell, whatever you want to buy or sell, right? And then to close it, you got to make sure you're ever so lightly delicate and you make sure you click on that and you don't click on these because then you're doing a trade. Okay? Yeah, then you're doing a trade. And why is it right up in the left corner? Why couldn't it be over here where people usually have their mouse ready to get in and out of a trade or whatever, right? No, they put it over here because they don't want you to be able to have quick access to buy or to sell or to close and take profits. It's a scam like you wouldn't believe. It's like I've asked them like 10 times, MetaTrader from Russia, okay, to put in the buy and the sell and the close button here on the chart. Will they do it? No, because the brokers don't want that. Because the brokers are not putting your orders in the real market. When you trade at these Forex brokers, you're trading against the broker. The broker is trading against you. Yeah, that's 100% for sure. Anyway, like I said, I went off on a whim there. I'm sorry, on a rant. But if you are interested in picking up your copy of my Forex Divergence course, video course, okay, I will throw in this indicator right here. It's called semi-auto. If you trade on MetaTrader, that is. Okay, which you'll have the buttons right here. You can choose your lot size in here, and you trade. And that's it. Okay? Okay. So anyway, that's pretty much it for today, I guess. I hope I kept you interested all the way through. I show you divergence setups every day. Most of the time, eight or 9 winning trades out of 10. But the hard part is, like I told you, it's not easy to study divergence and you know, and get a feel how to look for it and trade it. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.